How's it going, everyone? How are you guys doing today? My name is Aline, and today I'm here making this video review about sight care. So if you guys are looking for a healthier way to fix your vision, if you may suffer from vision loss or anything to do with your vision health, sight care may be a great solution for you guys. But before you guys just go ahead and purchase this supplement, I really want to explain to you what sight care is and how you folks need to use it, all right? So just make sure you're watching this video until the last minute, because I promise you it won't take much up of your time, but every single minute of it is going to be very informative, and I will hopefully clear up any doubts or questions that you guys may be having regarding this awesome supplement. All right, so first of all, let me just mention that I will be leaving their official website just here below this video in the description box for you guys. So after you finished watching this video here, you can go there and get to know more about sight care, read other people's feedbacks on it, and if you do make your purchase over there, you guys know that you will be receiving the original sight care that will give you really, really great results. So that being said, lots of people are asking around, what is sight care? How does it work? How do I need to take it? And it's pretty simple, right? So sight care is a dietary supplement that contains a number of natural ingredients that all have been clinically proven to improve the health of your eyes. So this supplement supports 20/20 vision naturally and improves your eyesight. So sight care is 100% natural, and it's a way of providing nourishment to your eyes and brain cells to prevent damage caused by toxins or pollution. So that's why all the ingredients in it are natural, and sight care has no side effects and no contradictions as well. The ingredients that go into the formula of sight care have also been found to have a significant impact on your brain health. So since the formulation, includes herbal extracts, the supplement is free from all allergens, dairy, GMOs, synthetic additives, colors, and preservatives as well. So hence it is considered, fit for consumption by all, and it does really great for your health, and it has no contradictions or side effects. So sight care works by clearing out inflammation, providing communication between the brain and the eyes, and nourishing the eye and brain cells to improve your overall health. So this supplement has many, many benefits to you guys, all right? If you do want to use up all of those benefits, you just need to remember that, sight care is natural, so it will take time for your body to start adapting to it to deliver great results. But just be patient, because the results will come, and make sure you are using it every single day, all right? Now, in case you are unhappy with sight care and you don't wish to use it anymore, or whatever your personal reasons may be, you guys have a 180-day money-back guarantee, which basically means that from the very first day of your purchase, if you are unhappy with it, you can go back to the official website and ask for a full refund within 180 days. And the support team will help you guys to get all of your money back, no questions asked. So that's why it's important as well to get it on the official website, because if you need a refund, that is the place you guys need to be going, all right? But basically, let me just tell you that I have been reading feedbacks on it, and a lot of people are taking sight care and having great results with it, restoring the health of their visions, restoring the health of their brain as well. So guys, I honestly think that you should give it a chance. It's a cool way. It's another solution rather than spending lots of money on expensive doctors, expensive glasses, and things like that. So just give it a chance, all right? Go to the official website, read more about it, and read other people's feedbacks, and you will know what I'm talking about. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time.